must recognize the significance of this workshop in co-creating a future where there is optimal healthcare, oral healthcare available for everyone in the entire region. Government of India stands by you, and we are already working closely. Congratulate the IDA for hosting this very, very important dialogue.
And I compliment the leadership of Indian Dental Association and all the other partners of this initiative for convening here and for taking the vision of G20 forward. Under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, India's G20 presidency was marked by consensus on very important and vital issues concerning the world and particularly concerning the global south. And indeed, a call for universal health coverage, a call for achieving SDGs, including health SDGs, was articulated emphatically in the G20 Leaders' Declaration.
The D20 workshop organized by the Indian Dental Association in Mumbai, in India. And it's a great opportunity for all of us to be here and share our views on how to prevent oral care, on how we can help the Bangkok Declaration from the WHO to be implemented and find solutions and policies that will prevent oral disease around the world.